Jennifer Skruba, and today we're going to demonstrate the slab roller machine by Shimpo. We have our gauge right here that tells us how thick the clay will be, and ideally we want a slab that's 3/8 of an inch thick, but we want to start where it's larger. So we're going to take our roller and we're going to move it down, which if you can view here to the rollers, if you could zoom and show how this is getting taller right here. So you want to start with the rollers spread apart so there's more space. For safety issues, don't put your hand between there, excuse me. So we have a large, really soft block of clay, and because it's brand new, you don't really need to wedge it, but I always like to, just to push it out a little bit farther. And you don't want to put your slab in just like this. I had a student do that once, and they rolled it out and they broke the pin that helps to roll it through. So you do this instead. Sandwich it between your two pieces of canvas, and then just take your palm and try and flatten it out as much as you can, maybe, but not too thin. So you let the slab roller do the work. A little thinner so it starts to guide its way through there. Then you close. I think of these as blankets, and you keep your clay nice and warm and cozy in there. And the next step is to take our big wheel. Alex, do you mind rolling it? And I'm gonna hold it, and do you mind holding it? I'm gonna set it on the ground. And we're gonna guide it through. And once it starts to catch, okay, so that went through there. We're gonna lower it some more. Closer to the 3/8 of an inch, but not there yet. We're gonna roll it back through the opposite way. So this one takes a couple people to help this process. And let's see if we can do our 3/8 of an inch now. Right there. We're gonna roll it back through one more time. Go ahead. It's a little bit harder now because it's compressing it. And we're gonna peek on the inside now and open up our blanket to reveal our slab. Now, if you look here, you're gonna see an air bubble. That's normal. You can take anything you have to pop that air bubble, such as this pencil, and then you'll just have to smooth it out and fill it in, because an air bubble will pop in the kiln. And then also I like to take a sponge and get rid of the texture so the glaze goes on better. And that is how you roll out a slab using our Shimpo slab roller.